you want to gain more views and subscribers on your YouTube channel quickly, make a YouTube Shorts video on your computer. You don't need to use the Shorts feature on your phone, and you can upload a Shorts video even with 0 subscribers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube Shorts video on your computer, how to film the video using your camera, how to edit the video using the proper dimensions, how to optimize the video on YouTube so to get found in YouTube search, and how to publish a video so it'll be seen by the public. If you want to know how to make a Shorts video on your phone without the Shorts feature, click the link in the description below this video. Adjust the camera to a vertical position so you record a vertical video instead of a landscape video. Remember to add your external audio and turn the camera on, so now you can record the video. In this video, you'll learn how to make a Shorts video on your computer. After you've finished filming the Shorts video on your camera, it's time to edit the video in your video editing software. Hey, if you're enjoying the content so far, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you'll be notified about new content like this every week. So now I'm removing the SD card from my camera and inserting it in my iMac computer. Now I'm ready to edit the video using the video editing software ScreenFlow. So now I'm inside my ScreenFlow video editing software and I've got to create a new document. So I'm going to go to File, New. From the drop down here, I've got to select the right dimensions. So these are like vertical format or iPhone 7, 8 dimensions. But the main thing is that you've got to use the portrait mode or vertical format. I'm going to choose this one. So you can see that the dimensions are 1080 pixels by 1920 pixels. So that's 1080 width, and then the length is 1920. Click the new document, and here you can see that I've got the vertical format. Now I'm going to transfer the video clip from my SD card to the timeline in my video editing software on the computer. Now I've got to rotate the video and fit it into the window. So I'm going to click on this icon, rotate it so it's like 90 degrees, and I'm going to scale it so it fits the window. Here's my vertical video, so I can expand it if I want in my video editing software, but I want to have a little bit of space at the top above my hat and my face in the middle. So I'm going to select the best section of this short video where I articulate what I wish to say. If I play the video, I can see it's ready to go. In this video, you'll learn how to make a Shorts video on your computer. Now I just have to publish the video and save it on my computer so it'll be ready to upload to YouTube. So you just go to File, Export, I'm going to call it Test, select Fastest, and then in the resolution, I'm going to change the resolution from 1920 to 1080, which is a regular video, and go to 100% of original, which is 1080 by 1920, and click Export. It's processing, now it's finished. Let's check the video. In this video, you'll learn how to make a Shorts video on your computer so you don't have to use the Shorts camera feature on your phone. Here's how to upload and optimize your YouTube Shorts video. Log into YouTube channel, click on the Create icon at the top of the page, click Upload Videos, click Select Video, select my test video, click Open. Now it's uploading. Now you've got to add an optimized title. So the keyword phrase that I optimized the YouTube Shorts video for is how to make YouTube Shorts on your computer. I can use the curiosity phrase at the end to get viewers to click on the video. So I could say something like, without using Shorts feature. Then I can enter description, discover how to make YouTube Shorts on your computer without using the Shorts feature. The thumbnail is already selected, but YouTube just chooses a frame from YouTube Shorts video to use as a thumbnail. Alternatively, you can upload a custom thumbnail for your Shorts video so it integrates with the thumbnails of your regular videos. I'm not going to add it to a playlist for audience. I'm going to say, no, it's not made for kids. Select Next. It's not paid promotion. I don't really need to add any tags for Shorts videos. Then the rest, you just leave the same as you do for a regular video. Click Next. You can't add an end screen and you can't add a card for Shorts videos. Click Next. I can choose when to publish it. So I can choose private, unlisted, public, or schedule it. Choose public if you want to make it visible to the public right now, or choose unlisted if you want anyone with the video link to watch your video. So I'm just going to choose unlisted for this test video and just click save. I can choose to share the link, embed the link, or share it on the social media sites like Facebook, Twitter, Blogger, Reddit, Tumblr, etc. If I copy the URL, then I can view it on my computer to see how it looks. So that's how the vertical video appears on my computer with the bands to the right and left of the video. Let's take a look how it appears on my phone. This is how the YouTube Shorts feature video appears on your phone. So Herman, how do viewers find your Shorts videos? If they have the Short Shelf feature on their phone, they can visit the home page on the YouTube app. One way to check if your Shorts video is appearing on the Short Shelf on people's phones is to look in YouTube Analytics. If your Analytics shows Shorts, that means your Shorts video appears on the Short Shelf. They can also find the Shorts videos on the What to Watch Next module. They can also find the Shorts video by searching YouTube. They can also check their subscriptions feeds. If you want to know how to get started with YouTube Shorts, watch the video on the screen right now. You'll learn the pros and cons of using YouTube Shorts to grow your YouTube channel.